This is the logo Swift, and this is the menu items, home, about us, product, chart, brand, shoes, cap, male and female, submenu, media, career and contact, and this is the background image and font image and some text in the home page index page. Okay, now I'm gonna create a folder. To create HTML page, I will make a website like this website. Okay, so folder name is menu tutorial, and in this folder I am creating one more folder. This folder is to store image of this website. There are 5 images you can see with logo. I just copied the image and pasted it in the image folder. Yes, the image is stored. Now I'm gonna create a HTML page with the name index.html. change the extension txt to html. Okay, click yes. The HTML page is created. Now I am using Visual Studio Code editor. You can use Notepad, Notepad++, or Atom, or any other editor to design and develop this HTML website. Okay, now HTML tag and head, and after the head tag a body tag, body, and this head tag a title. Title is home Swift Learn tutorial. Okay, and the style, adding full screen background image in body. In that case, add body class, then background image URL, and background size is cover. Yes, and background attachment fixed. I mean, the background image will be fixed. So my background image name is product overview.png, and it's stored in the image folder. Directory is image product overview.png. so in this URL, put the folder name is image, then slash product overview.png. okay, now it's done. Browse this HTML page. Yes, the background image is added. You can see it's look like the previous website. Background image is done. Now go to the body and add div tag, div id equal to logo. Now I'll add logo in this web page, HTML web page. In this div, add img src equal to. In this source, put the logo location image logo big1.png. put the logo big1.png. this image is stored in the img folder, so put img/logo big1.png. okay, reload this page. Yes, the logo is added, but it's like bigger. You should resize it. And first of all, I am using the menu uli. In this li, I just added the anchor. Its reference in this anchor is home index.html, and second one is for about us. Okay, now like that, more menu. I have 6 menu probably. Product, then media, and then career, after that contact menu. okay, now reload this page. Yes, see that this menu is added, but it's in the left side of this page. To place it perfectly, adding a class file to load class for logo and navigation menu. So add a class menu style.css. class extension is css, so cascading style sheet css. Now add a navigation for this div and menu in this navigation. I just add logo and menu in navigation. Okay, now add class for navigation UL li and anchor a. So in this menu style.css class, add class navigation top 0, top margin 0, left 0, and position fixed, white 100%, and background color RGBA. It will be transparent. You can put your RGBA 0.4. okay, and then navigation UL. This class is for navigation, and UL under the navigation, plot left, plot right, padding 0. Navigation is in the right side and logo is in the left side. So okay, padding 0, margin 0, list style none, because it will the navigation will be arranged in side by side. So position relative, reload this page, or link the CSS file with the web page. I just created class in the menu style.css file, but it's not linked with my HTML page. So to link it, you just write link relation equal to style sheet, and h reference is menu style.css. This is my CSS file name, menu style.css. okay, now it's linked perfectly. You can see its position, menu UL position is right, and its div but its background is transparent, RGB is 0.04, but it's still it's late. So now create a class for li, navigation UL, under navigation UL li, display inline block and plot left, z index 1. okay, now it's done. This is navigation UL li, and then the anchor. Now for create a class for anchor, navigation A, right, display block, and padding, put padding 14 pixel left, right, okay, color black, font size 17 pixel. okay, it's perfect for anchor, 17 pixel, and font weight bold. okay, it's done. Now browse this page, reload this page. Yes, this is now in side by side, but it's left below of the menu, color white. yes, and in this img change the width of this img. width is 200 pixel. okay, reload this page. yes, see that the logo is also resized, and menu's font color also changed. Now this logo, add a class, create a class for logo, id selector class, display block, plot left. okay, reload this page. yes, now this menu is looking perfect. So I think you understand perfectly that how to create menu in HTML. Change the font family is Arial. Okay, yes, perfect. It's so too much perfect. Adding hover style in navigation menu. Now I'm gonna adding hover style in navigation menu. So menu style dot css class, navigation a colon hover, background color white. When you move this cursor on the menu item, it will change the background color of this menu item is white. For color will be gray. See that? Yes, for color gray and background color is white. Yes, it's perfectly working. Now create a new page for about.html. Open with Visual Studio, about.html, about page. Design this about page, HTML head and then body, then img src, pick the image URL hero1.png. okay, now just put the about.html in href and the second menu about us. Okay, now click the about us.html. Oh, file not found. What's problem? About.html file not found. Let's check the file about.html. it's okay. File not found. Why? Oh, file name, rename the file name. It's dot double dot, so remove the single dot, and now it's hopefully it will be working. Yes, about.html page is working perfectly. Okay, I can understand how to add how to call a page in a menu or menu items. Okay, now add a div in the index.html page below the navigation menu. Div style equal to margin top 300 pixel for menu, because this div will be placed below the menu and logo. So I just added an image in this in this div. The image is hero100png and width will be 80%. Oh yes, it's added, but width 80% is not working. Oh sorry, width equal to 80% and div align equal to center. Okay, now it's working perfectly. Align is center, and under this image adding a paragraph. Here is a paragraph. There are some text in the paragraph. Just copy this text and paste it in the paragraph. Yes, the text is added, and add a style for this paragraph. Style background color is red, and for color is white. Okay, yes, reload this page. Yes, the paragraph is also added, as you can see. Okay, now submenu, product, chart, event and others submenu. So add submenu in this product menu. To add submenu, add a drop down menu. After this anchor A in product menu, add a drop down menu. I just paste this UL under this li. Here just put name, chart, event, shows and cap. Okay, reload this page. Yes, see that in this product menu it's added, but it's displaying before hover. Now adding class for drop down menu. Navigation UL under this UL, then UL. In this UL adding class for drop down menu. Display none. Initially it will not display. When I will hover this mouse on this product, then it will display the drop down menu. So position absolute and top margin 48 pixel. Okay, reload this page. Yes. Oh, product is initially it's display none, still it's display none. To display, add a hover style to display drop down menu. So navigation UL LI, and for LI hover. When this cursor hover on this menu item, it will display the sub menu. So hover UL display inherit. Reload this page. Yes, it's displaying, but it's side by side. To make it as list, add a class navigation UL LI. In this for LI, add white 150 pixel and float none. Display list. Yes, list item. Now it will display the as look like as list. Position relative. Yes. Now change the background color of this UL LI under the navigation. Okay, now reload this page. Yes, now this is looking perfectly. Product, chart, pant and cafe. This is look like the previous website, the menu and menu items. Adding child in drop down menu. Now I'm gonna adding child in drop down menu for cafe. After this anchor cafe, yes, add sub menu. Okay, after this A, this one is for male and this one is for female. A UL and then LI, male and female. Okay, reload this page. Product, chart, cafe. It's displaying below of this cafe. So now I want to display it in the right side of this menu. So navigation UL and then UL, after that LI. Adding a style for the child menu. So position relative and left 150 pixel is first menu. Yes, UL LI 150 pixel, and it will display after this sub menu. So this is child menu. Okay, product cafe. Now you can see it's displaying after this cafe, but it's the below will display it in the right side of this cafe. So put top 48 pixel minus 48 pixel. Okay, yes, now it's looking perfect. Okay, it's working fine. Cafe, male and female. Okay, now I'm gonna make this menu as responsive, because the previous website's menu is responsive, so I will make it responsive. Now it's not responsive yet, so to make it responsive, first of all I'm gonna add this meta tag. Meta name equal to viewport, content equal to white device hyphen white, comma, initial hyphen scale equal to 1.0. okay, the top of page for toggle hiding toggle and display menu when width greater than 600 pixel. Okay, so toggle ID equal to drop display none. So add a label class equal to toggle, and for equal to drop. Okay, and label text will be menu. Now add input tag, input type equal to checkbox, id equal to drop. Okay, it's done. Now at the rate media all, and max width 600 pixel. I mean, when it display the page less than 600 pixel, then it will work. Dot toggle display none, then toggle will be invisible. Okay, and toggle under the menu, under the toggle you can see. Now ul class equal to, call this class toggle in the ul class equal to menu. Okay, this is class selector. Now dot toggle will be display block. Toggle menu will hide and toggle will display. Background color RGBA. Yes, background color will be 0.8. okay, RGBA. Color white, and text decoration none. Padding 10 pixel. Okay, now reload this page. Yes, now you can see that menu is hide, only displaying the text as menu. Now add a class for toggle hover. I mean, when hover this menu, then it will display the sub menu and all the menu items. Background color white, color gray. Yes, background color white and color gray. It's working when I hover in menu. Now just copy the logo, id selector class logo, plot none, display block. Yes, now after this logo the menu is displaying after the logo. Okay, now menu items. So id drop to display the drop down menu items. id drop checked plus ul display block. When I click on menu, it's displaying all the menu items. Display block white 100%. Okay, reload this page. Yes, home, about us, media carrier contact, shows male and female, all the menu displaying perfectly. Now add navigation ul li, class for navigation ul. Okay, plot none, and position static. Okay, now reload this page. Yes, okay, now menu, home, about us, product, chart, parent, shows, cap, male and female, all the menu displaying. Yes, cap, male and female. Okay, now navigation ul 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 load none. Okay, and position absolute. Reload this page. Okay, product chart and cap male and female. Okay, it's working fine. Now this website is created as the website I have shown you. Yes, this is similar of this website, and it's perfectly responsive. When you resize this page and the page size is page width is less than 600 pixel, then it will hide this menu. You can see, yes, and it's responsive. Thanks for watching this tutorial.